that is selling Nasdaq that you can see on the screen. And currently I'm also contemplating on the possibility of adding more sell to GBP Australian dollar. Okay, all right, so we can sell GBP Australian dollar too. So that's 2 trades. And on this platform too, I'm also gonna add another sell here. Okay, so that is making my that means two different platforms. On my mobile, there's a sell order, and also on the desktop version there's another sell order for GBP Australian dollar, and also I'm also buying selling Nasdaq. So the blue sign you see here means the price is in profit. Okay, so if you just check out from here, you'll see, but I'm kind of like hoping that it's going to go down a little bit. I mean the GBP Australian dollar, CAD JPY too. I think it's one can also look into CAD JPY. I don't know if this has been falling. You can see how well this had fallen, and since when it has been falling. Wow, that's been a very long time. Okay, let's check, let's see. Wow, the fall has been since 11th of last month. That's 11th of June or July, so to say. Wow, and still falling. Okay, so I just want to be so even if I'm going to sell the CAD JPY, it's going to be, the sell order is going to be very minimal. Like it's gonna really seem as pure intraday, as in pure intraday. I'm not even gonna call it intraday trading. I'm just going to scalp it. Okay, yeah, but I'm a little bit confident with GBP Australian dollar. There's also AUD USD too. All right, I have 2 buy orders on AUD USD too. Okay, yeah, I have buy order on AUD USD, and I want this to sell too. So AUD Australian dollar is buying, then GBP Australian dollar is selling. So that means in other words, that the Australian dollar has a stronger index than. All right, yeah, I don't care. Nasdaq, do whatever you want to do. We are still good. Okay. It's still going to fall. Price is still definitely going to um it's a cycle. It's gonna complete it. Yeah, except the moment for reversal had come. Yeah, then that means the cycle had completed. But yeah, this is a short cycle. It's gonna be completed too. Okay. Today is Friday. I do not with the level of understanding I have in the financial trading business, there are no days. I don't set dates aside. Some people would say that Mondays the market will be re-strategizing to know which direction to go. Decisions are made in banks, in all these big financial institutions. Decisions could be made on a Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. It could be on a Monday. All right. So I don't use it to sit down and say, let me watch until the market retraces or reverses or whatever, or re-strategizes. All right. So what I do is get an opportunity, trade. And intraday trading, get an opportunity, trade. All right. And profit, you lose, you make money, just get out of the market and wait for something else. Yeah. So that's the beauty of it. Mm, 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 mm. I'm just going to have to be very, very, you know, disciplined. Yeah, because I know the end goal is for me to, be profitable at my trade. Or yeah, I just make sure that at the end of the week you're not very, you're profitable and you're comfortable with, the success that you've made. Nice. So I still have my New Zealand, yes, New Zealand, US, sorry, I still have my Nasdaq. All right, I still have got Nasdaq, and I still have GBP Australian dollar. Okay, yeah, wow, never mind. And I still have GBP Australian dollar, so it does not matter. We will just keep, with what we have, and we will look. And the most important thing is to be here and wait for, if this zone or this level here is broken, that means it's a completed cycle though. So what I just have to do is I'm just gonna wait and rest and reset the market. Okay, I think this is a reliable place. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is a reliable place to to set this barrier here. Yeah, I may also be looking at GBP New Zealand, sorry, GBP JPY. Right, there is still possibility for, yeah, there's still possibility for a sell, which I definitely am going to take too. I'm not leaving any stone unturned. No, I'm leaving no stone unturned. Yeah, I think that's a good way to to put it. I'm leaving no stone unturned. Yeah. So if I'm selling GBP Australian dollar and I'm selling GBP JPY, that indicates that the loss of strength for the British pounds as against the Australian dollar, and also as against the Japanese yen. Okay, so index wise, you say that the Japanese yen has a stronger index, and also the Australian dollar has a stronger index than the what's it called, than the British pounds. So let's keep it ready. I'm just gonna tap the button, sell, and that's it. Still waiting for a clearer confirmation for before any execution will be made for GBP JPY. As it stands, AUD USD and also GBP AUD is still, dangling around, the entry area. But you'll be surprised that at the end of the day, it's all joy for FX Trader KG and the team. All right, so it's all joy. I believe so. Yeah, it's all joy. Looking at how this came up, you know, I think it was recorded about 94 pips or 95 pips was recorded. And as for me per trade, I don't really have to look for that much. Although sometimes it comes naturally on its own, but I don't have to greedy. I just have to exit at the exact point where my methodology, where it is required of my trade methodology. Okay, let's look at our card JPY, and even on a bigger time frame, you see at this bottom is very critical, not very easy to determine, or just to, it's not very easy at this point to yes, you can have a clearer confirmation to take an intraday opportunity, but it's not always very very reliable. Okay, so it's also the fear we have for trades like this, anything JPY. But irrespective of that, you may say, you may decide to trade and it goes against you, and you may also decide not to trade and it goes in your favor. But when you analyze the market, and especially from this desk, when we analyze the market and we find out that it's an entry, we take away anything called emotion. So we don't let emotion take the better part of us as financial traders. We just do what it says. But I'm gonna give that emotion part. Let's we could give emotion, let's say 60% or 55%. Okay, This is our Nasdaq. This is GBP AUD in the direction of our entry, and also yeah, are still around our entry, and this also in the direction of our entry. So there are other tools that we have: Canadian CAD JPY and also GBP JPY, but this is more reliable than CAD. GBP JPY is more reliable than CAD JPY.
account to complete this call. Press 2 to request your call party to pay for your call. Press 4 to repeat the message or hang up now.
So bad. We couldn't trade the GBP JPY sell. You see, so bad, couldn't trade it. But yes, um, we have a good news and a bad news. That's that Nasdaq is going in the purported direction, and also the bad one here is that GBP AUD is actually against us. But that notwithstanding, is still a plus. Okay, very positive trade here that you can see. All right, yeah, it's still a plus, a very positive trade, so one can still rely on it. But never mind, this will still correct itself. Okay, it will still correct itself. It's a 4. All right, in a bigger time frame it's a 4, and it's still gonna correct itself. So that's what I believe. All right, but it may take some time, yes, but it's still gonna correct itself. And here, okay, it's gonna correct itself. But like the principle of Pareto, I'm just gonna concentrate on the ones that honestly, I wish I could have taken that. I just stood off the table, off my desk, and just to attend to some family needs, and that's what made me to miss this opportunity here. All right, and what about CAD JPY? Honestly, the same thing. 2 trades we've missed. And that's great. Honestly, I am loving it. Seriously, I am loving it. I am seriously loving it. Wow, I am seriously loving it. Honestly, I'm loving it. So so far so good. I think anyway, I need to make some few adjustments here. Like I said, we have this. Nasdaq is going in the direction with which we analyze, and GBP Australian dollar is actually going in the opposite direction. And don't forget that I talked about CAD JPY, that's a sell opportunity. Okay, and you can see that sell opportunity which we missed. And also we talked about GBP JPY, and we talked about a sell opportunity also. This is what we actually missed today, Friday. All right, so that is what we are going to start fully to look at from Monday, which is next week. We are officially going to start this FX to the KG officially on Monday. All right, so that means officially means we're going to be coming out fully to make sure that we do this from Monday to Friday. Yes, live stream our trade opportunities, live stream our trade ideas, live stream our executions, and exit and all of that. So whenever we make profit, you make profit. Whenever if we count losses here, definitely the whole world is going to see it. But at a point, it's going to be limited to those who are actually following us on our social platforms. Okay, yeah, we're going to limit it with that we're going to limit it to that. those that are following us on our social platforms. All right, so yeah, like I said, we're going to limit it. It's going to be seriously limited. So if you're here, make sure you come to the website fxtraderkg.trade, click on live trading, then go to the link here. You see this gentleman here telling you what are you waiting for. Click on the red link and on the join the group, and it will definitely take you to our channel where you can also be part of this. But for those who want to take our class, you may decide you want to do your thing by yourself. To know what we know, do what we do on your own, please go to the education link. And in fact, for now, I think this is not set up for now. Just use the live chat and talk to us about your intention, okay, for those who want to take our class. And I think that's it. All right, yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to, you have everything to gain though. Okay, so you have everything to gain here at FX Trader KG. Alright, we'll see in the next video. Thank you, and definitely that will be on Monday. Thank you very much, and bye.